The Xiaomi Civi 2 has not changed much in terms of appearance concept. It is still a Xiaomi phone that emphasizes the sense of appearance and focuses on the front-facing shooting experience and lightweight. Let's talk about the sense of appearance first. The flash powder back appearance used by Xiaomi Civi in the previous generation is directly inherited from the new color ice blue of Xiaomi Civi 2. The thumping powder uses nanoscale texture engraving, flashing sand glass and double film double plating process. It presents a fluff-like texture and feel, while the Mingming Black is standard AG frosted glass. In addition to the 3 regular color schemes, Xiaomi Civi 2 also added a new color scheme of little white skirt. The back of the small white skirt Xiaomi Civi 2 adopts environmentally friendly thermoforming technology to create a ripple effect similar to a pleated skirt for the back of the phone. Xiaomi added a layer of 450nm ultra-white electroplating under the textured glass of the pleated skirt to present the white color of the back of the phone. The electroplated diaphragm can also show corresponding luster through light from different angles, allowing Xiaomi Civi 2 to add a little more light and shadow changes to the texture of its own pleated skirt to improve the texture. The details of the pit pattern are not particularly hard, and the hand feeling when swiping is also very subtle. The overall feel has a certain sense of friction. With a body of 171.8 grams and a thickness of 7.23 millimeters, to become a new generation of the best Xiaomi phone, the Xiaomi Civi 2 still has no problem. The rear 3-camera module of Xiaomi Civi 2 is placed in the upper left corner of the back, and the layout of the square multi-camera module is similar to that of the Xiaomi Mi 12 series. The difference is that Xiaomi Civi 2 uses a large circle to frame the main camera and ultra-wide, and the independent macro lens is on the lower side by side with the flash. There are thin lines between the 3 for partitioning, which is also a common appearance pattern for Xiaomi this year. The volume button and power button of the Civi 2 are placed on the right side. The upper side is attached with the cover plate. Under the cover plate, there are microphone openings and Dolby Atmos certification marks. At the bottom are the SIM card slot, speaker opening and USB-C interface, which supports 67-watt wired second charging. Xiaomi officially provides a 67-watt USB-A charging head and a USB-C to A charger in the package to cope with this fast charging mode. The front of the Xiaomi Civi 2 is equipped with a 6.55-inch 3D flexible remote hole digging screen, and the hole digging part is equipped with a dual 32-megapixel front dual camera. In addition, the front dual camera adopts a central, plus a rounded strip appearance, which looks a bit Smart Island. This screen supports 120Hz refresh, P3 color gamut, 10-bit color depth, and Dolby Vision display. Xiaomi said that the screen supports 1920Hz high-frequency PWM dimming to improve the comfort of use in low-light environments. Since it is the main selfie model, the front-end upgrade of Xiaomi Civi 2 is the focus of the upgrade. In terms of configuration, the Civi 2 is equipped with a 32-megapixel front-facing main camera, with a single pixel size of 0.8 micrometer, which supports multi-pixel integration into a 1.6 micrometer large pixel. It supports autofocus and ALD ultra-low mirror technology. The aperture is f2.0. The amount of light entering is increased by 50% compared with the previous generation, and the hardware is easier to cope with low-light environments. In addition, Xiaomi Civi 2 has added an ultra-wide-angle camera with the same pixel volume of 32 megapixels, so that the phone can physically add a 100 degrees ultra-wide-angle viewing angle, which is convenient for multiple people to take selfies, and can also integrate people into larger in the environment. The ultra-wide-angle part also supports multi-pixel synthesis, and the original 0.8 micrometer single pixel can be combined into 1.6 micrometer. In addition, Xiaomi Civi 2 has also added pixel-level skin rejuvenation technology 3.0. This version is mainly aimed at improving and optimizing the recognition of details such as dark circles, nasolabial lines, forehead lines and eye lines. The internal shooting of the phone provides 2 modes of classic beauty and textured beauty to meet the beauty needs of different people. In terms of performance, Xiaomi Civi 2 is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 mobile platform, uses 8 or 12 gigs LPDDR4X running memory, and has 128 and 256 gigs optional UFS 2.1 storage, a total of 3 versions for users to choose. Inside the body is a linear motor that provides vibration feedback while typing and gaming. The battery capacity of the phone is 4500 mAh, and it can be fully charged in 40 minutes with the 67-watt wired flash charge of the phone. Xiaomi Civi 2 uses Sony IMX766, the most commonly used 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture. The lens supports a multi-pixel integration mode that combines 2.0 micrometer pixels to ensure performance in low-light environments. The ultra-wide-angle part uses an ultra-wide-angle lens with a viewing angle of 115 degrees, and a 20-megapixel Sony IMX376K sensor, with a lens aperture of f2.2, which also supports a multi-pixel integration mode of 2.0 micrometer. The macro lens uses a 2-megapixel sensor with a focusing distance of 3 to 7 centimeters. Xiaomi Civi 2's phone must be thin and light, the selfie and portrait must be super strong, and the battery life and heat are well controlled. The price of the 8 and 128 gigs version of the phone is 23.99 yuan or $335, which is full of sincerity. If you like taking selfies and pay attention to the appearance of your phone, then choosing Xiaomi Civi 2 will be a good choice. When you go out to play, bring a Xiaomi Civi 2 to shoot a vlog. Taking selfies with friends is a great experience. What do you think of the new phone from Xiaomi? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.